How to calculate exponential moving average for Sensex? We are calculating it. So this is the data for things. So trading, no trading, trading, no trading, no trading, no trading, trading. So get all the trading data. So 30 days simple moving average is 30,000 and the value of exponent of 30 days is 0.062. What do you do with all the trading dates? Second, EMA first 30 days 30,000. 30,000 minus 299,252 minus. So into 0.062. So all this into 0.062. The difference of 1 and 2 into 0.062. You apply all things. Then EMA is equal to minus plus 1554. So 30,000 plus minus plus this fourth value is 29,000. Then you take this 29,772 here with the EMA of the previous day. This minus this, so the Sensex data minus EMA data, you will get one thing. Then into the value of 0.62, you will get another value. You then you will get this value. This value minus EMA data, you get 29,967. Repeat the same thing, you will get. So by seeing this, you can see uh, decrease, increase. It's been increasing. Then it is bullish market. Bull. The market is bullish. Market is likely to remain bullish for the short term to the medium term. In other factor remains the same. On the basis of this indicators, investor can take a long position. Long position is they can purchase.